The financial world is on the brink of a major transformation. This revolution centers around blockchain technology, the same technology that powers cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. But blockchain's potential extends far beyond digital currencies. It's poised to reshape how we buy, sell, and invest in real-world assets. This is where tokenization comes in. Imagine a world where you can invest in a fraction of a famous artwork or a piece of prime real estate with just a few clicks. This is the power of tokenization. Tokenization is the process of converting rights to a real-world asset into a digital token on a blockchain. Think of it like a digital certificate of ownership. For example, a piece of real estate can be tokenized, dividing its ownership into thousands of digital tokens. These tokens can then be bought and sold easily and transparently on a blockchain platform. Stocks, bonds, commodities like gold, and even intellectual property can all be tokenized, creating new opportunities for investors of all sizes. One key reason institutions are excited about tokenization is its potential to streamline and accelerate transactions. Traditional financial transactions often involve multiple intermediaries, paperwork, and delays. Blockchain technology allows for faster and more efficient settlement of transactions. When assets are tokenized, the transfer of ownership can happen almost instantly and securely on the blockchain. This speed and efficiency translate to lower costs for institutions and investors alike. Democratizing investments, fractional ownership. Tokenization can democratize investment opportunities. Take a high-value asset like a rare painting. Traditionally, only wealthy individuals or institutions could afford to invest. Tokenization allows this painting's ownership to be divided into smaller, more affordable fractions represented by tokens. This means that anyone can potentially invest in a piece of this valuable asset. This opens up a world of possibilities for smaller investors, providing access to previously out-of-reach assets. A more transparent future, reducing risks in finance. Blockchain technology, at its core, is a secure and transparent way to track and manage data. This makes it ideal for managing asset ownership. Every transaction involving a tokenized asset is recorded on the blockchain. This creates an immutable and auditable record that is accessible to all parties involved. This transparency reduces the risk of fraud, errors, and disputes. Tokenization can also reduce the reliance on intermediaries, further simplifying transactions and reducing costs. Tokenization in action, real-world examples. The tokenization of real-world assets is already happening. Companies are using blockchain technology to tokenize everything from real estate to diamonds. For example, some platforms allow investors to buy and sell shares of tokenized real estate. These platforms make it easier and more accessible for people to invest in real estate, regardless of their location or financial background. The future is tokenized, predictions, and impacts. Tokenization is still in its early stages, but its potential impact on finance is enormous. As the technology matures and gains wider adoption, we can expect to see increased liquidity in traditionally illiquid markets, new investment opportunities for a wider range of investors, and greater efficiency and transparency in financial transactions. Tokenization has the power to create a more efficient, accessible, and equitable financial system for everyone. It's not just a technological shift, it's a fundamental reshaping of how we think about and interact with assets in the digital age.